I feel like I should get one of these tail leaves. Because they feel strong. How do I use them? Ow! I got it! 25%! It's crazy! I might die. That's extremely lucky. I think I played for like an hour before I got one last time. I got it! I got a tail leaf! Yippee! Okay, let me try my luck with these guys. Let me try my new guy. Tail leaf. Go get those guys. Hit him. Beat him up. You change from a cool dragon to this thing? Do not call my tail leaf a thing. Do not call this guy a thing. Look, he's cute. Don't bully my bird. Tail leaf seems like a bit of a bum. Why are you so mean to my bird? Tail leaf is not a bum. Tail leaf is a level 4 Chad. Why is he so fat? Stop fat shaming my pet. They don't need that kind of stress in their lives. How is he flying when he's literally a jorb? He's got strong wings, man. Cute thing you have there, also cute thing in the bottom right, then Big Chungus bird. Stop bullying my Big Chungus bird. Why did you call him the Big Chunkus bird? That's so mean. How come Sheena got a cool crab and Jerry got a fat bird? Why are you so mean? Mari, thank you for the raid! Mari, dude, they're calling this bird fat. Well, can you guys defend me? I know you're not Star Knights. But, like, do you think this bird is fat? 11 cells. It even makes a cute sound. You guys are so mean. It's not fat, it's fluffy. Yeah, see? See? Alright, that guy knows ball. He's fluffy. It's not fat. He's just very fluffy. What's that weird dragon? Where's the fat bird? Here's a fat bird. Thank you for vouching for my fat bird. Nobody likes a fat bird. Somebody was like, oh, you dropped your cool dragon for the fat bird. I'm low-key offended. Jerry called the poor tail leaf a fat bird. Ivanaka! Use your new familiar ability. How do I do that? Oh, Q? Look at what my cool fat bird can do!